Hi, my name is Joy. I am My Current Faves on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm here with IPSY to share some products from the June Glam Bag and BoxyCharm. We're gonna talk about summer tips and tricks to make your makeup last. So during summer, to keep my makeup long lasting, I love to use a primer. This one is from REM Beauty. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit here, and you can see already the difference from here to here. My skin looks super blurred out. And what I love about this product is that it's not super mattifying. It still is very hydrating on the skin. It also has this cool, fresh effect right here. And just like that, ready for your summer base. All right, for summer complexion, we don't want a heavy base. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer first and just cover up any areas of redness on my face. We want a really sheer and light coverage here because we're gonna go in with the Wander Beauty Powder Foundation to set everything. And that primer is gonna help hold everything in so you don't need a thick layer of makeup here. Okay, concealer is all applied. We're gonna go in with this Wander Beauty Powder Foundation. What I like about this foundation is that it's super lightweight and blurry, and a little goes a long way. So I'm just taking some on my puff here, and I'm gonna go ahead and set all of that concealer. It also blurs the pores. You can see my pores right there. I'm just gonna put a little bit there and set that. And look at that. So beautiful. And don't forget the nose, of course, the T-zone, like we said earlier. So for a pop of color, we're gonna use these Ace Beauté liquid shadows. I like to use a liquid shadow during the summer because they stay put on the eyes, especially when it's hot and you're sweating. This one is Stella Dusk, and it is a nice bronzy shade. And then the second one here is Nebula, and this one is purple with a blue kind of shift. Look at how beautiful that is. Since my look is bronzy, a little bit neutral on the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Stella Dusk shade. All right, I had to zoom you guys in so you could see the application on this. You just take a little bit here on the applicator, take the wand, and you wanna focus a lot of that color right on the lid. And then you see how I drew this shape out on this side? You can just draw the shape out with the applicator. You want to take the end right here and just flick it out and have that cat eye effect. So pretty. Now we're going to go in and work on our lips. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips really quick here with a neutral liner. So we're going to go in with one of these Benefit Plush tints. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all three here and we'll choose a shade. This one is Purr. This one is Cream Puff. Quilty Pleasure. I'm thinking I like for this look Cream Puff. It's going to go great with the eyeshadow. And let's just put it right there in the center. And here is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know below in the comments what is your favorite product for summer.